Good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on the Sealine 2003 43. Blue hull's in good shape. It's got bow sun pad up there, enclosure all the way around. Raymarine electronics on this boat, including autopilot. Stepping aboard, got teak on the platform, has davits for a dinghy and some index storage here. Got engine compartment down below here. Good seating. Galley sink here. There's an outlet that's installed for electric cooktop that goes here, and then you've got a refrigerator down below. Fusion sub, table, helm seat, bow thruster up there, new trim tabs. Boat was hauled out recently, media blasted, new barrier coat put on. Coming down in the cabin, teak and holly sole. This turns into a berth here. Forward stateroom up front. It's nice to have a 43-foot boat with 2 stateroom, 2 head. So shower's going to be on this side. Forward stateroom and guest head are to port. Coming out into the galley, got a refrigerator here. Storage underneath all of these across. Great storage in the galley. Coming down into the master. Here's on, get you some lights going. There we go. And second head. And shower back here. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Really neat layout for a 43-foot boat. 2 staterooms, 2 heads, with you know, most of your boats in the size range are going to have a conversation pit back here, not a whole second separate stateroom. So really nice feature on this boat. Thank you for watching the video. Give us a call at 910-264-4818, 910-264-4818 if you have any questions. Thanks.